Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of restricted account on Google Maps. You will click on settings, then you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Google Maps and you can click here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache, don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and you are watching. Goodbye.